Hello Year 2s, today is Thursday the 4th of March. Welcome back. Thank you to all those of you who have sent in some fantastic 3D shape work this week. We're going to be finishing off our work on 3D shape today, so I'm going to share my screen with you so that we can get started. Okay, so we're going to warm up our maths brains this morning by playing a Guess the Shape game. Now, I've sent this to you as a PowerPoint, so if you would like, you can put me on pause and play this game with someone in your house, or you could stay with me and we can play it together. So decide what you want to do, and if you're popping me on pause, I will see you soon. For those of you who are staying with me, let's play the game. So guess the shape. I'm going to give you a series of clues, and hopefully from those clues you'll be able to guess the shape. It's a little bit like our riddles that we were writing last half term for our polar animals. So what am I? I have 6 faces. I have 8 vertices. I have 12 edges. All my faces are the same shape. What shape do you think this is? Call it out to the screen. Well done if you said a cube. Let's do the next one. What am I? I have 1 curved surface. I have 2 circular faces. I have no vertices. What do you think that might be? Call it out to the screen. I am a cylinder. Well done if you got that one. What am I? I have 1 curved surface. I have no vertices. Oh, so what do you think has no vertices? I have no edges. What shape could that be? Call it out to the screen. I am a sphere. Well done if you got that. What am I? I have 6 faces. I have 8 vertices. 4 of my faces are rectangles. I have 12 edges. What shape could it be? Call it out to the screen. I am a cuboid. Well done if you got that. What am I? I have 5 faces. 4 of my faces are triangles. I have a square base. I have 5 vertices. I have 8 edges. What do you think that could be? 5 faces, 4 faces are triangles, a square base, 5 vertices and 8 edges. Call it out to the screen. I am a pyramid. Well done if you said that. A square base pyramid. What am I? I have 1 curved surface. I have a circular face. I have 1 vertex. What do you think that could be? Call it out to the screen. I am a cone. Well done if you got that one correct. Brilliant, good job. Okay, so we're now going to go back to our learning for today. So today we're going to be looking at sorting 3D shapes using what we know about their properties. So we're going to be thinking about their faces, their edges, their vertices. And we've sent you some pictures and the same pictures are on the screen. So you can cut the pictures out that you've got at home because we'd like you to sort them. The questions are, how would you sort these shapes and what criteria would you use? Now, there's lots of different ways that you could sort these shapes, so there's not one answer for this. So have a go at sorting these shapes, thinking about faces, vertices and edges. And then once you've had a go at sorting the shapes, take a photograph of them so you could send your sorting criteria to us. And then come back to me so that we can go through the rest of our learning activities. I'll see you soon. Happy sorting. Welcome back. Okay, so I wonder how you sorted those 3D shapes. I look forward to seeing the different ways that you sorted them. I've had a go at sorting them as well. So let me show you the criteria I used. So I decided to have one group of shapes which had 6 faces and one group of shapes which had circular faces. So my sorting criteria are 6 faces, circular faces. So let's see which hoop we need to put the objects into. So I've got my tin of baked beans here, which is a cylinder. Does it have 6 faces? No. Does it have circular faces? Yes. I need to put it there. What about my sphere? Does it have 6 faces? No. Does it have circular faces? No, it doesn't have any flat faces. It has a curved surface. So actually my sphere, my football, doesn't go in either of my sorting hoops. So I just need to leave it on the outside. I've got my can of cola here, which is a cylinder. Does it have 6 faces? No. Does it have circular faces? Yes, it has 2 circular faces. So I need to put it here with my tin of baked beans, 2 cylinders. What about my package here? My package is a cuboid. Does it have 6 faces? Yes, it does. Does it have circular faces? No, it doesn't. What about my suitcase here? This again is a cuboid. Has it got 6 faces? Yes. Does it have circular faces? No. I've got my die here. How many, which is a cube. How many faces does a cube have? It has 6. Well done. Does it have circular faces? No. And then I've got my filing cabinet here, which is a cuboid. Does it have circular faces? No. Does it have 6 faces? Yes. So I've sorted my objects by using how many faces and the shape of the faces. So we look forward to seeing how you sorted those shapes too. I've got some other examples of different ways of sorting 3D shapes. So this time I've got my 2 sorting circles and I've got circular faces and square faces. So does my cube have circular faces? No. Does it have square faces? Yes. Does my cone have a circular face? Yes. Does it have a square face? No. Does my cylinder have circular faces? Yes. Does my cuboid have circular faces? No. Does it have square faces? This one does. This cuboid has got some square faces on the ends of the cuboid. So remember what we said before, some cuboids might have all the faces as rectangles, but some cuboids have square faces, 2 square faces at either end. Last but not least, our triangular prism. Does it have circular faces? No. Does it have square faces? No. So that one needs to stay on the outside of our sorting circles because it doesn't fit in either of those sorting circles. Okay, let's do another one. So your independent task for today, children, is to explore different ways of sorting 3D shapes, either using the shapes that you have made or some objects around your house which are 3D shapes. Think about what criteria you will use to sort them using faces, edges, and vertices. Write down the different criteria that you're going to use and then sort the shapes and take a photograph of how you have sorted them and send it to us at the Year 2 email. Once you've done that, there is an extra challenge for you to have a look at. I'm going to read it out to you, but we've also sent this to you on the planning. It says, Jack is investigating which shapes stack and which shapes roll. He says, some shapes will stack and roll. Is he correct? And he's actually drawn a Venn diagram. If you remember our work on Venn diagrams from last week, we've got one criteria on one side, stack, and one criteria on the other side, roll. So when Jack is sorting his shapes, all the ones that stack will put on this side, all the shapes that roll he would put on this side. But what would he put in the middle? Have a think about how we did our Venn diagrams last week. So have a go at that extra challenge and explain what you notice when solving that problem. Okay, so have fun with sorting out your shapes, and we look forward to seeing your work. Take care and have a good day.